Hi. Welcome to ReliaMaint CMMS channel. There are times when few or more task list could not be completed due to reasons, or checked but may not be okay. The challenge is to retrieve that task point next working, and more challenging is to plan for such tasks. ReliaMaint CMMS present a solution for that. If a work order task point is not attended or sat pending, it will be visible in any work order for given equipment taking the care of work discipline. Like mechanical work will available for mechanical works order and likewise. Let's save the new work order and see how it works. If there are pending tasks available on the equipment and matching the work order discipline line mechanical or electrical, it will reflect under Pending Task tab. User are free to take these pending tasks to the current work order by simple click, and same will be reflect on main work order page. These carry-forwarded task points can be executed and work order can be closed. If the task list remain pending or not okay, these will be visible on equipment page and in similar described way will be available on any work order pertaining to that equipment. Let's close the work order and see the rest of the workflow. As work order closed, we can see the still pending or not okay task point are now available under Equipment Work tab as pending task points. The planner always look out for these pending tasks and make the preparation for them. Thanks for being with us.